Welcome to Evernote Mastery for maximum productivity in just about an hour. My name is Matthew Carano, and what I'm about to show you is the most impactful productivity process I've ever used. Now, believe me, in my quest to jumpstart my productivity, I've tried so many organizational tools, I can no longer keep them straight. To name a few, I've used Trello, Todoist, Asana, Outlook, various calendars and planners. Searching for it was like searching for my great white whale. You see, from a very early age, I struggled with organization. In fact, in grade school, even my school bag became a huge mess. Every Sunday night before bed, my mother would make me empty my backpack on the floor where we would find crumpled up papers, homework I forgot to do, rotting fruit, the usual. My room was the same way. I just didn't intrinsically know how to put everything in its right place. But because I knew proper organization was the key to boosting my productivity, it became my quest to find it. If you're like me, you searched high and low for an organizational tool to help you get organized. You've tried many different programs and apps, and nothing worked perfectly. You still got a sense of dread at night, wondering if you forgot to do something or if you missed a deadline. If you're like me, you obsess over future projects, home and work, constantly thinking about all the steps needed to complete them, always in fear that if you stop thinking about it, you'll forget all the good ideas you have about them or the process needed to complete it. We cannot be productive if we're always worried about these things. We need calm to achieve maximum productivity. The problem is this: we only have so much brain space, so much concentration that in order to be the most productive we can be, we must use all that concentration on the task at hand. But we cannot focus our concentration if we're constantly worried we're forgetting something. Our lives are complex, with many moving parts we want to attend to, including projects, goals, people we want to spend time with, tasks, hobbies, traveling, etc. And we can get all of it done, our projects, but in order to do that, we must master organizing our lives. So to bring it all back, I have searched for this type of organizational mastery because I knew it was a deficiency, and for years I couldn't find it. Nothing stuck. Nothing gave me mind calm until I found Evernote combined with the Getting Things Done method. And I realized why it was so elusive. I was looking for the wrong thing. I was looking for a tool when I should have been looking for a process combined with the right tool.